Tired of manually adding running totals in Excel cell by cell? What if I told you there is a much faster way to get it done? Stick around because in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy trick to calculate running totals in just a few clicks. Previously, my colleague used to add running totals one by one, which was incredibly time-consuming and tedious. This method made working with large datasets a real hassle. But there is a better way to do this. Let me show you how. Just select your sales data and click on this icon. Then go to Totals, move to the right and click on Running Total. It's that simple and quick. As a result, you now have a running total calculated instantly, saving you a lot of time and effort. This trick not only speeds up your workflow but also makes your data analysis much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it. Thank you so much for watching.